everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all what's new in my shop. I've done this autumn fall folio and journal. I'm going to flip through and share those with y'all. Autumn is probably my most favorite time of year, and I'm very excited about these. If y'all are here for the thought of the day, stay to the end. That's where it's going to be. Let me move all of this lace out of the way. I put it in the picture because, you know what, because I love it. Plain and simple. I love it. I love the lace. I love the look and the feel that it gives. There we go. That is all. Okay. Let's start with the folio. Look at this gorgeous wrinkly, pre-wrinkled sari silk. I love it. Love it, love it. Y'all can see I've got my desk covered up with this fabric here, and that's because currently my desk is tragic. We're leaving for Michigan tomorrow. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna get this whole entire area looking nice so that when I come back home, I don't walk in and go, ah, oh my goodness. It's overwhelming. And anyway, yeah. All right, so the very front, this is a trifold flip out folio. The very front, we got this gorgeous snippet that goes all the way around. Y'all will see when I unfold it. Done by, y'all can find her if y'all are interested in one of these snippets. I think I got 6 or 7 yards from her I ordered. She is Rock Paper Scissors on Instagram. I will leave that information in the description so y'all can find her. And she will make them for you, and she will make them different sizes and widths and stuff like that, whatever you want. And I just love them. I do. I can make and do make. Look at that. Do make my own snippets. I do. But hers is just something about them. I love them. My laces, as y'all know, most are from Crafty Me Shop on Facebook. This gold is just loaded down with the sparklies. This, one of my most favorite pieces of lace ever. But I haven't had the opportunity to use it much. The right project, and this definitely was. Okay, let's open it up. So over here on the first page, I've done some collaging. I've got the lace dangles and the appliques hanging all out here. Look how cute. And I don't know if y'all can see all the pearls and the sequins and sparklies on there. Let me hold it up a little bit closer so maybe y'all can see all the sequins, pearls, sparklies. Up underneath this, just a bunch of collaging, some fussy cutting with some Stamperia paper that I had. And up here, what is this? Y'all, oh, I hope that y'all saw my video on making these extra large tags. And I've got one. I put it up here, a bunch of collaging. How I made these is on that video if you're interested. These were super fun, loved doing it, and I think it turned out just cute. And when I was making this one, what I didn't initially realize, and y'all gonna think I'm crazy, how didn't you realize this? I just didn't, because I put together what pleases me, and this wasn't done on purpose. But here we have a dog, and my son told me the kind of dog this is, and right now I can't think of it, who almost matches this St. Bernard and this little stamp. Stamp washi tape on it in Etsy shop also, by the way, guys. But y'all can journal. These are so huge, y'all can journal on the back of these tags if you want to, or collage more yourself. Just whatever. It's just a huge blank space, and I think it's a perfect space for so many things. I faced it this way because the book closes like this, and I wanted that little tiny peak, you know, of the fall colors to be seen up through here. Y'all can put it in there however y'all want. That's just how I like it. Second page, y'all can see how the snippet piece has wrapped all the way around here. And some of Miss Esme's from Crafty Me Shop, a big, huge chunk of applique. Love those rich burgundy colors. Got some more lace hanging off down here and some scallops. And y'all can see up underneath here what this is made out of. This is made out of more of that packing material that I showed y'all a while ago in another video that just makes that wonderful crunchy noise. And I love it. I don't know what you know what? I know what I'm going to do when I run out. I'm going to order more candles from Goose Creek. That's what they pack their candles in. And so I can, for one, y'all know I'm a candle addict, but also to get more of this packing material. Do I pull? Yeah, let's go ahead and pull that one out. And again, put it in that way so that you can see that little bit peeking out there. How cute is that? How cute. Little owl stamp. Again, showed y'all how to make these on a previous video. Let's open up. Okay, over here I've got some more of that gorgeous snippet that Rock, Paper, Scissors did. Some more applique to keep the mood and the theme flowing. Got some rosettes with some pretty little stones. Some more goldy bling. All these fall colors. And up here, another extra large tag, this time with little mushrooms. And look at that, y'all. This piece of lace applique, it's in lace form. It folds all the way out by yard, but so intricate with beading. The beadwork on this is absolutely phenomenal and so beautiful, so beautiful. And over here on this page, got more of that lace that I love. And I put together a little butterfly. I had these pieces here and added a piece of lace and some flower stamens for the antennae. And cut this little guy out here from some old papers that I have. And I can't remember what the names of the papers are. You know, who did them. I don't remember. But I thought he was just adorable. So, this is the inside. And this is the outside cover. Oh, yeah, I forgot to show y'all this one. Here is the back piece. And look at that applique there. I love it. I do. All right. Let's set this aside. This, look, you can use, if you purchase this, you can use it however you want to. And I know that a lot of people use this simply for eye candy and do not want to use it to decorate a journal. But you have it in case you do. And so these are being sold together. One is the folio with the pieces to put in and decorate the journal with, or not. You can do it however you want. So, the fall journal. I decided to put some different color sari. I've got this orange rusty sari here with a key. Thought that was really pretty and kind of fitting with the theme. And here I've done some collaging with a crow in the tree, a little half moon, some more Stamperia paper on the very back here, and then on the forward here, just something different. And then I took fall colored rhinestones and scattered them throughout like fallen leaves. And I love it. I love it. Of course I do. I mean, I'm not going to present y'all anything that I don't love. And if I don't love, I'm going to just tuck it away and bring it back out another day and work on it till I do love it. Some more of that lace here that was on the folio. I have distressed the inside of this, a gorgeous leathery looking brown. And as y'all see, got a lot of different types of papers in here for y'all to write on or decorate however y'all want. Is that not cute? So cute. I believe that's in my shop as a digital. I don't think I took it out. I'm not 100% in that. and some other ones. But yeah, tons of papers of all different kinds in here for y'all to decorate, for y'all to write on, for y'all to do whatever y'all want. A blank journal. And look, it's so cute. Some Stamperia paper, so cute. All right, so thought of the day. I thought the thought of the day was going to be one thing, and it's changed again. It changed with my last video, and it's changed with this one, but we will eventually get to that thought of the day. So yesterday I traveled to Augusta, Georgia, my hometown, for my brother's funeral. And he was really young. He was only 51. He died of COVID. For those of y'all that follow me on Instagram or Facebook or both, y'all know a little bit more about it. I don't think that I've mentioned it in any of my YouTube videos yet, so this might be a first hearing about it for some of y'all. And anyway, it's got me thinking. I had a bit of a traumatic childhood in many ways, as a lot of us did, you know. I'm not the only one, and I get that. But it does things to you, even when you think that you're healed. And trust me, I have been healed of a lot. And I wouldn't change a thing. I just, oh no, my light, stop that. My light battery's going dead. I wouldn't change a thing, because I am who I am because of that. And I've taken the routes that I've taken because of that. And I can help other people because of what I've been able to overcome. But nonetheless, it does tend to make you who you are. And I've always thought, if other people can hate for no reason, then I can love for no reason. I genuinely love everyone. I genuinely care for everyone. Do I like everyone? No, I don't. But I love your soul. I love you. Doesn't mean that we're going to be friends, or that we can resonate with each other, or that we have things in common or anything like that. But I genuinely care for you. And I've just noticed that through my life, I put up walls and I push people away. And I can look back and I know it's because for some reason, even though I thought that I was capable of loving everyone else, maybe I didn't think that anybody else in the world did, or at least I didn't know who did and who didn't. And it was just too difficult and too painful to trust that maybe, just maybe, when my sister tells me she loves me, she means it. Or my friend tells me they love me, they mean it. Or even allow a person to be my friend, you know. It's been very, very difficult. So what I'm doing right now is I'm working on relationships, on healing some relationships, on healing those thoughts within myself, on trying to embrace that maybe, just maybe, that person that does seem to care, maybe they do. Maybe they genuinely do. And I'm not talking about, you know, it leading to some lifelong friendship or anything like that, but it could lead to good things, could lead to peak experiences. It could bring me peace and comfort and more smiles. And anyway, so I guess that's my thought of the day, is consider that there are people that do care about you and what you have to say and what you're going through, and take them up on that. Those caring words and caring thoughts, you know, when a person says, it's just so easy and it's so passed around, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I know it's difficult and I'm here for you. And we tend not to take it serious. But I know that when I say it, I do genuinely mean it. That's just not something that I throw out. And I do not throw out the I love you thing. Like I said, I love everyone. But if I'm telling you I love you, I genuinely, I don't even know how to describe it. I genuinely care for you and want to be there for you, you know? But I've got to learn to trust again. I've got to learn. You know, I teach psychology, and I do know that those that have good, close relationships, live longer, happy, healthier lives. And I teach this stuff, but yet it's not present in my own life. I tend to push people away. Trust issues and fiercely needing to be independent in that way, and truly, just being honest, truly feeling like no one really does care. I'm not going to burden anybody with this. I know that you said that you'll be there for me, but you don't really mean it, and you don't really care. Everybody has their own crap. Everybody's going through something, and that is true. But I think if we all shared that a little bit more, it would be a little easier to bear. There y'all go. I hope that y'all are having an amazing fall. And, reach out to somebody today. Till next time, y'all take care.